This video is going to talk about the structure of algebra and some of the vocabulary words that we use to better understand algebra. Now, 5 of these words are going to be variable, constant, expression, equation, and inequality. Now, a variable is going to be some symbol, typically it's a letter, X, Y, or Z, and this symbol is going to represent a value, whether it's 2 or 6 or negative 13.2. This value can change depending on how the variable is being used. A constant, however, is a symbol that does not change in value. One example of a constant is the Greek letter pi. And pi is always constant because pi measures the diameter of a circle and the number of times that it can go around the outside or the circumference of the circle. This value is always the same, right about 3.14. An expression is going to be a constant, a variable, or any combination of constants, variables, and arithmetic operations. 2 examples of expressions are 2x and 3x cubed minus 2x plus 7. One thing to keep in mind in the future is that expressions are simplified. When you have an expression like 10 plus 5 plus 3, this is an expression. And you can simplify it by adding all of these numbers together and getting 18. When you have this answer, you have now simplified as far as you can. An equation, on the other hand, is when you have 2 expressions and you set them equal to each other. So we're going to put an equal sign right there in the middle. The expression 4x plus 3 equals the expression 6x minus 9. Keep in mind this: equations are solved. Typically you'll solve for the variable. In our case up here, we have x. So in order to complete this, we would solve for x. The final word is inequality. 2 expressions separated by a not equal to symbol, a less than symbol, a greater than symbol, a less than or equal to symbol, or a greater than or equal to symbol. And we'll use these like this. If we have 5, we're saying 5 is not equal to 9. We can also say that 7 is greater than 3. Likewise, 3 is less than 7. It's very important that you feel comfortable using these 5 vocabulary words as you continue your math study.